Alright, this project is getting tough. Really tough. And so, first thing I did, this wiring is, if I'm going to put a huge light package in here, which I've been encouraged to do, I've got motor mounted and I made a platform for this guy. And let's take a look at him. There he is. That's our platform right there. Sits down right on the motor. That hole is for a bridge rectifier, which will fit right there, like that. Okay, the other little holes are for to bring the wires up to the top. But then we've got to get that TCS decoder in here, and it just barely will fit. It's going to have to go right here on top of the motor. It's the only way I can get it to fit in there. Now, one of the things I want to do is red ground effects. You know how we love ground effects. Right? Locomotive sitting on the track, and there's a red light below it. That would really make this thing cool. So, what we have to do is we got to take an SMD and put it onto a little pad, like that. And we're going to zoom in on this. As soon as I get some glasses that lets me even see this thing because it's so small. Okay. Let's go over here. We got the breadboard hooked up. And there's our SMD right there. Okay, and I've already checked him. Alright, so we got a breadboard hooked up. As you can see, we've got, let's get a pointer. Okay, here's a 1K right there. Up here on the guy, we are set at 5.25 volts. We go back in here, this thing is live. So now the white wire is basically the black, it's the ground. And I made a green mark right there, so I know which way is which. And if I take these two leads, I want to be able to touch them to the solder pad anywhere and have them light like that. That's how I want it to be. Okay, where that guy's going to go, he's going to go somewhere on the underside like this, and he's going to beam red light down through the gap where the trucks are. That's how we want it. Now, how do you do an SMD? Because an SMD is often a huge obstacle. All right, this camera mount is a piece of crap that I put together. And let's see if we can continue it. A huge obstacle is using SMDs because they're hard to work with. And I'm going to show you how to do it now. Okay, so let's take, I've got a little piece of PC board here that I made with a gap in it. Alright, now, to do an SMD, and I've already done this part of it, where you take it and you see that little glob of solder? You got to put one on each side using rosin paste. And you just touch and go with these guys, or you'll melt them down. Now, in order to do this one, what we got to do is we got to take rosin paste. Alright. And we're going to hold on to this guy now. And we're going to cover him with paste. A whole lot of it. Okay, so now I'm not going to use my hot air station on this one. I'm going to show you how to do the soldering pencil. But usually when working with SMDs, you take them and one side, a lot of SMDs are marked with the green dot. These are not. You see the back side here. That's what the back side looks like. Alright, that middle thing, it's got to be on one side of the gap. Alright, so let's go ahead and to get it on one side of the gap, on the top, wait, let's look at the top. You see that little part to the right, that little tiny silver looking thing on the right side? Okay, that guy is about where you need to get this thing so that that other piece is in the gap. Alright, so now I'm going to get them, and I got all this solder paste on here, kind of so I can keep them in place. Let's take this guy. I want to keep him in place. Get him right where I want him. Okay, he's almost floating on there because of those little solder things. Okay, now I've got him on there. Now I'm going to take my soldering iron. Alright, I'm going to take it. I'm going to brush it. Okay. Now, if we've done everything right, then that solder should be in there. So I'm going to take my tweezers and I'm going to set them down on top of this, and then I'm going to heat, hopefully, and you just, when you first start working with these, they're going to be super frustrating. We're going to hold them in place with that tweezers right there. Okay, then we're going to heat that solder on the side till it bubbles up. I'm going to let him go. If we did that right, he's down. So now we got to do it on the other side. There ain't much left on the other side. So we got to hold him down. I'm going to heat. I think we got it. Now we got to check it. Now this one leaves very little room to add the wires. But let's see if we got him. Did we get him? Will he work? Okay, so this should be the green side where I'm going to have to put a resistor on later. This should be the side where you use on these guys are constant power. Like this is the red side with the orange wire. So if I do this, he should like, yes he does. Just like that. That's what we want. Okay, now later we can put a resistor on here and we should be able to get a wire on there and be ready to roll. Okay, that's how you do SMDs, and we got a lot more to do.